In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get refund on Vinted. If you receive something that isn't as described or arrived damaged, I'll walk you through exactly how to handle it smoothly and respectfully so you can get your money back. Start by going to Vinted.com or opening the Vinted app and make sure you're signed in. Head to your recent purchases and open the specific order. From there, you can access the conversation with the seller directly from the order page. Keeping everything in the order thread helps both sides stay organized and makes it easier to reference details later. Next, send the seller a message. Keep it friendly and straightforward. A polite tone goes a long way and sets the stage for a cooperative solution. If you bought multiple items recently, double check your messaging in the correct order conversation so nothing gets mixed up. Now explain that you have an issue with the item. Be clear and specific about what's wrong. For example, the size differs from the listing, the condition isn't as described, a flaw was missing from photos, or something arrived broken. Include the delivery date and mention that you're addressing it promptly. If you haven't confirmed receipt or tapped that everything is fine, don't do that yet. It's easier to resolve issues before marking an order as completed. Provide proof to back up your message. Take well-lit photos from multiple angles and include close-ups of the problem. If the issue is about authenticity, sizing, or color, show the label, measurements, or a side-by-side comparison with the listing photos. If the parcel was damaged, include pictures of the packaging and shipping label. Short videos can help too, especially for functional issues like zippers or electronics. The more precise your evidence, the faster the seller can understand and respond. Offer to return the product and ask how they'd like to proceed. Confirm the return address, the preferred shipping method, and who will cover postage. Use a tracked service and keep the receipt. When you ship it, share the tracking number in the same conversation so the seller can follow the return. Finally, ask for a refund in clear terms. Let the seller know you've provided proof and sent the item back, and that you're requesting a refund to your original payment method once they receive the return. Most refunds are processed soon after the seller confirms the package has arrived in the expected condition. Keep all communication in the order thread, stay courteous throughout, and you'll give yourself the best chance of a quick, stress-free outcome.